Okay, learners, how are we today? I have a really good challenge. Challenge is I have all these two-dimensional shapes, all of these shapes, and I need to sort them. Sorting just kind of means I need to look at these shapes and how would I organize them and sort of group them together based on some of the attributes they have. And an attribute is just something that, for example, what makes a square a square? What makes a circle a circle? What makes this shape that shape? So take a minute and I want you to look at these shapes. How would you sort them? How would you group them together? Well, I noticed that they all have sort of different amount of sides. So remember, I'll take this square. When we're looking at a shape, okay, these are the sides of the shape. How many sides does this shape have? This is a square. How many sides does a square have? Well, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says 4 sides. Okay, so I'm going to put my square over here, and I'm going to call this any shapes that have 4 sides. Do you see any other shapes that have 4 sides? Well, I see this shape. Let's bring this down. This is called a trapezoid. Now, does a trapezoid have 4 sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. So could I put that together with a square because they both have 4 sides? I could. So I'm going to put this together with the square. Are there any other shapes that you see that have 4 sides? Well, I see this one. What does this shape look like? Well, it's called a rectangle. Does a rectangle have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. Can I put that with my 4-sided shapes? Okay. Wow, look at that shape. That looks like, kind of looks like a diamond, yeah? Does this shape have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. It does. Could I put that here? Yep. What about this shape? What do you call this shape? Well, it's a triangle. And this shape has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Can I put that in my 4-sided group? Nope. Should I make a new group and call this one maybe 3 sides? So let's put all our shapes that have 3 sides in this category with this triangle. Where would you put this trapezoid? 3 sides or 4 sides? 4 sides. Okay, there we go. What about that shape? Well, it's a square. Square has 4 sides, so we'll put that here with the other 4-side shapes. That kind of looks like a triangle again. So let's count. A triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So where do we put our triangle? Oh, group it with 3-side shapes right here. Oh, now let's do this one. What shape is that? Well, it's a rectangle. A rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So let's put that in our group of 4 sides. Wow, look at this shape. How many sides does this shape have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Can we put that with our 4-sided shapes? Nope. 3-sided shapes? Nope. So we need to make a new group, and we need to sort this one under the 6 sides shape. What about this shape? What's this shape called? Circle. Oh, where do we put this one? Does it have 6 sides? Nope. Does it have 3 sides? Nope. Does it have 4 sides? No. It kind of has, I don't know, one side that goes all the way around. It's curved. It's a curved shape. So I might just write here that it's a curved shape. As an attribute, it has a curve. It curves. So let's put the circle there. So what do you think about our sorting these 2D shapes? We made it in, we sorted according to sides. 4-sided shapes, 3-sided shapes, 6-side shapes, and one side a curved shape. Are there any other ways we could sort these? Well, let's look at our square again. What do you call it where 2 sides meet? This little point right there. What do we call where 2 sides, right, meet together? They meet and they close the shape. What do we call that? Well, we call that a corner, where 2 sides meet together and close the shape. How many corners does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Oh, okay. So I want you to think right now, look at all our 4-sided shapes. Do they also have 4 corners? Well, rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. This diamond, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. This shape, trapezoid, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So we can also know that this group, we've sorted it also to shapes that have 4 sides and 4 corners. How many corners do these triangles have? Shapes with 3 sides. How many corners do they have where the 2 sides meet together? 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 corners. So 3-sided shapes also have 3 corners. Let's go to our circle, our curved shape. How many corners does a circle have? How many where 2 lines, edges meet together, 2 sides meet together? 2 sides meet together is a corner. Does a circle have any corners? I don't see any. So we also could say that this category, curved shape, also has no corners. Right? How many corners does a 6-sided shape have? Let's count. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5 corner, 6 corner. So 6-side shapes also have 6 corners. This has been a really challenging activity, and I'm so glad you participated with me, because look how we arranged these shapes. We sorted them into 4-corner, 4-side shapes. Here they all are. Then 3-corner, 3-side shapes. Here they are. 6-sided shapes, we found one, so we made it its own category, its own group. And then we had these curved, all the way around, curved shape, no corners. We made that a category. So when we see shapes, I want you to think about, what are those attributes, those features that we can use to sort shapes and put them into groups? Okay, until next time.